let's try another one. So in this actually program, we're going to learn what cin, what get, ignore, put back, and peek functions do. We use cin to read a value. So let me just go back and type in some of the stuff here using, oh, I have two keyboards, the one actually on the computer and the portable one. Let me try the portable one. Using namespace .std standard, and there's the main body of the program. Expected, there's no dot here. Okay, right there. Let me define a character here. We'll call it ch1 and ch2, two characters. And let me define integer number int num. If I say here cin, read ch1, character 1, not comma, character 2, and the number. So let me do cout here. Enter a character and number. I want to explain the difference between them. Semicolon. And I'm going to read these two. And let me try now cout. So you get to see him. Character 1 equals, let's see what's in character 1. What did the machine save? ch1 and L. Next line. And let me copy and paste that color times. Let's do character 2 here. And the number, character, or number here, not character, num, and print the number. It's only one number, so I don't need num1, num2. Now let me save this. Let me run it. And what happens if I enter A space B space 50? Well, A is going to go into character 1, B is going to go into character 2, and 50 is going to go, here's A, B, and 50, the way I expect it to happen. Let me run it again. What happens if I go A, B, 50? I'm still okay, because character will take only a single character. So A will go into character 1, B will go into character 2. So here we go. Now let's run it. Here's the problem. A25. Maybe I wanted character 2 to be the space there. I want A to go into character 1 and the space to go into character 2, but that's not what's going to happen there. Look what happened. The machine ignored the space. It went to 25. It took the 2 out of 25 and made it character 2, and it put the number into 5. So you got to be careful when you use a cin for a character. Let me modify that. Let me try this instead of cin. Let's try cin.get. And if you're going to do cn.get, then you're going to tell them you're not going to use this. You're going to use parentheses. That's a built-in function. So let me just delete all of these here. You got to tell them where to save it, ch1. So get that character and put it on location 1. cn dot get and put that in character 2. And cn number. And num. And let's try the 3 scenarios we did early today. File save. And let's run it. CN, the direction is backward. So what happens if I type in A space B space 25? That's what we did early. Character 1 is A. Character 2 is blank. And the number is 0. Different. Here's what happened. The machine took the first one, A, and put it in character A. It went to the space here. And it took the space and it put it right there. That's why you don't see it. The previous one with the CN ignored that. It skipped the space and went to B. Now it gets to the third one, the number, and you're trying to put that as a number. That's B. B is not a number. That's why you're getting a 0 here. So that's the difference between the cn.get versus cn. We also have ignore. Let's see how they ignore. So we looked at cn, we looked at get. Let's look at ignore. So let me try. Let's run this program. And let's say I put A on this line. Hit enter, put B on the next line. Hit enter. Same problem. I took A. I hit enter, then B. So A went into character 1. Now the enter key, which is you can't print the enter key, went into character 2, and that's why you see the space there. That's the enter key. Then B actually went right there. I could have used the ignore, get character 1, and I could have said cn dot ignore, and you can tell them to ignore how many characters. Ignore, I don't know, 100 character or new line till you hit whichever you encounter first. So ignore the first 100 character, or if you hit new line, ignore that. Get character 2, semicolon. Let's see what happens here. A, B, 25. Look at this. Character 1 has A. Character 2 has B. and the number has 25. What happened here? Because I hit enter first. I hit A first. A went into character A. Then I hit the enter key. What this one is telling the machine, after the character A, ignore up to 100 characters or a new line. Let's make this reasonable, like 10 characters instead of 100. I'll show you what will happen here. Let's type in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Hit enter. A has a value. That's the first character. Ignore the next 10 characters. So ignore B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ignore all of these. Ignore 10 of them, or new line, whichever comes first. New line is after the P. So it's going to ignore these, and what's going to go in character 2 is the letter L. That's a lowercase l. That's why you see it looks like a 1, but that's L went into character 2. It's a single character. Then it goes to get the number. It sees M. M is not a number. You get a 0 there. So this allows you to skip some values. Now, let me run it again. A, B, C. Hit new line. D, E, F, G, H, I. So what you're going to see here, you're going to see the capital A in character 1, and you're going to see capital D in character 2. Oh, I forgot to hit enter. Here we go. Capital A in character 1, then it says skip the next 10 characters or new line, whichever comes first. Well, new line comes before the 10th character. There's only 3 of them here. Then you got a new line. So the machine actually ignores the new line. It goes what's after that, which is the D, A, B, C, D. Notice that D goes into character 2. Then what comes after D, which is the E, is supposed to go into number, and that's not a number. So that's how the ignore key, or cn.ignore, works. We have the put back. You can put a character back where it was before. Okay, so let's go back here. After you read character 1, instead of ignore, let's say put back. Put back, cn.putback character 1. Put that character back. Oh, that's supposed to be parentheses. And get character 2. Let's save it. And let's run. Let me put A, B, 25. Space 25. Normally A goes into character 1, B goes into character 2, 25 goes into the number. Let's see what's going to happen. A went into character 1. Then I put it back. So now when you go to get character 2, it's going to go back to the A because you put it back. So A goes into character 2, and the value of B is supposed to go here, and that doesn't match. How about if I said peak? Tell me what's after character 1. Can you peek and tell me? So that's really what peek does. So let's get character 1. Let's define character CH, that's character, equals, I want you to peek, cn.peek. cn.peek. After you read character 1, take a peek and tell me what the next character is. Let's print that one out. Cout character. So if I type in AB25, I keep forgetting. And again, let me put AB25 space 25. Let's go through the program. It says enter a character and number. So I typed in AB and 25. Get the first character. So in character 1, A is going to go there. Then I'm asking the machine to look ahead. What comes after that A? And I want you to put it in location B. I mean, location CH. Put it in that one and show me what that one. So it should show me B. I'm going to put back character 1. So A gets put back. So when I get the second one, it's going to give me actually an A. There we go. I forgot to go to the next line. When it peaked there, is so that second character is really a B. When you peaked. Cout, the next character, maybe I should have had here, and I'll go the next line so that it's squished in together. AB25. That's one thing I have to remember when you type in values to click right here. I keep forgetting sometimes. AB25. Notice the first character is A, but when it peaked after the first character is so a B. That's why you see that. That's your first Cout. So the B shows up first. Then it says print the first character, print the second character, print the number. First character is A. We put it back. Second character is A because you put the first one back. And the number is obviously not going to match. I'll stop here.